Oh, mate, you know, it would really help if, yeah, well, but my mic wasn't muted in game. It was muted on the cable. Ah, fun times, fun times. Anyway, how is everybody? Thank you very much for the raid, Kato, and Omni. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hello. It's great to see everyone this week. We've got a. We'll swap back to the chatting scene. Here we go. So you can see the wonderful new logo that the Beepo Box logo that we got. So yeah, this is the Beepo Box logo, courtesy of Moon Meadow, who is amazing. I'm sure. Does this work? Does that work? Yeah, there we go. Is the shout out for Moon Meadow. She's awesome. Yeah, she's got us an amazing little Beepo Box logo now. So it's all getting very official. We're getting there. It's going places. We've got some cool things. Hey Neo, how's that? And who have we got? We've got KO2. Hey KO2. There's Katami, Darkadia, Pichachu. Infamous. Hey Infamous, how's it going? Darkadia again, Jodak, Gato, Omni, Panda. Welcome aboard. So yeah, so this week, as the title says, what we're going to do, we're going to pick up from where we left off a couple of weeks back now, I think. Oh, hey! So, what we're going to do is thank you very much, Pichachu, for the subscription. Thank you very much. Oh, actually, you know what? It would help if I actually connected Beepo Box. I just realised that my Beepo Box isn't working right now because I didn't actually connect it. So here you go. Here, hang on. There you go. There's the finger trails. And that's why I didn't get the confetti out. I'll give you some confetti. Give you confetti for the sub. Thank you very much. There we go. Thank you. One day we'll start a stream without everything going Pete-Tom. Anyway, you're running out of channel points. Oh, actually, that's what I was gonna do. What I will do is I realised that I mean, that was kind of deserved, really. It's like we're scuffing already. But what I was going to do, actually, yeah, while we're here, I was going to lower the points for everything. I realised, like, this is the stream where everybody should be able to come and, like, try out all the fun Beepo Box bits. So what we'll do is we'll lower all of the prices of stuff, of all the Beepo Box effects, so that people can just come here and kind of spam them and see what's going on. So you won't need to worry about all those channel points that you don't have anymore, because everything will be cheap. Also got Big Head. I'll probably end up putting some cooldowns on them at some point. There we go. Everything should be a bit cheaper now. At one point would be cheating. So no, yes, as you can see, we have Beepo the Bee is here this week. And forever from now on. But yeah, this week what we're going to do is we are going to we're going to carry on with the edible items that we had last week, like a few weeks back, that kind of are a bit weird. So let's have a look. So we should have, where is it? Have we got our mince pie somewhere? How are the levels and everything, by the way? I'm doing a slightly new setup with audio this week, so I don't know what it's set. So how's it? So yeah, so that mince pie, it kind of works. It kind of works. We could do a lot better. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump in. We're gonna tweak that, and we're gonna like set up the hands and stuff. So we've got some options for which hand you want to spawn it in, and then maybe we can add a new redeem, and then we can try it out. So we'll jump over. I'm on the TV. I feel honoured. So here we go. So we'll head over. So, hey Zeus! Hello. How's it going? How's your day been? How has everyone's day been, actually? I've had a pretty good day today because I've had horrible problems these last few days with my version of Unreal crashing on me all the time, and it got it working today, so I can actually carry on and get some proper stuff done tomorrow. Oh God. Oh no, I'm gonna have to sanction. Oh, you're still at work. Oh man, time zones, am I right? Time zones. What am I gonna do with you? Okay, so what have we got? So I think we've got a little item spawner. Oh yeah, I kept chaos at 5k because let's be fair. Oh god, no! I'll lower chaos. I'm not gonna make it too cheap. I'm gonna get 1,000, just so that Arcadia can't be spamming chaos all the time. Yeah, you just need to go over here. You just gotta come and join us. It's where all the cool kids are. Okay, so we are gonna start out. Let's have a look. Did I add a let's minimize those. Oh, I realised I didn't ask people how their streams went. It's very rude of me. I'm not on the ball today. It's been a day. So yeah, how do streams go? I saw that I saw you were playing Portal 2 again, Kato, and yeah, pro streamer, that's right. And Omni, you were on the new version of Compound, which looks very cool. Squeak! I got squeaked. You squeaking me. So I think we've got the item dropper. Oh, where's oh man, this was a mistake. This was a terrible mistake. Yeah, some of the later puzzles in Portal 2 definitely get tricky. Oh nice. Oh, you're going to fall for a feedback. Yeah, it sounds like they're getting pretty close to a release, which is really cool. Okay, yeah, so here we go. So this is the edible bit. So we've got like our mince pie here, which is literally just a test edible. So what we can do, let's add ourselves, let's actually add like a, what should we call it? So should we call it like a hand spawn? So like, do you want to be hand? Yeah, blah. Let's just call it item spawn handler. Rather than the thrower, because the thrower is something different. This is like something that will spawn like items. So we could like, oh, there we go, bean trails. So we can do, yeah, oh, we'll get rainbow trail. We will get rainbow trails. Rainbow trails is a shader thing. I'll be careful with shaders and materials because the VRM avatars can only use certain materials. Ow! What did I do? What did I do to deserve that? Okay, so we'll go into our spawn handler here. So what do we want to do on the spawn handler? We want what we're going to do? We're going to want a did we make an edible? Let's have a look. It's the edible, the eatable foodable. Did I add oh, there is an edible item. Okay, so we do have edible items here. So in that case, what we can do? What are you doing? it's updating. It's updating. People might be happy to know that I've updated VS Code since last week, so I don't have the "you must update VS Code" message all the time now. Big head. I still think that there's some fun things to do with making like big head stack and stuff. Oh, that is one thing that we should put on there is queuing. So queuing stuff properly, because it still doesn't queue things properly. So if you redeem big head again now, it won't like shrink and then redo it. It will just keep the big head going. So that's how big head queues. So yeah, every time you redeem big head and it's active, it will just add it like adds refreshes the timer to 30 seconds. I used some coding. Nice. I mean, it all helps, right? It's if you feel like you were coding, that's what matters. You feel that you got something out of it. So let's make a list of edible items. So let's edible items. I haven't played it. I've not actually heard of it. Is it like a Zachtronics thing? Right. So we've got our edible items here. So what we want to do. So I think probably what we need a hand. Is that what I've called the okay, so we have an enum. So what we want to do, we'll call that preferred hand, and we will make it, I think, by default. Hang on. Probably want it left by default. I think most people have their VTubers on this side, which probably means that the left hand is. Yeah, we'll go with left by default. I reckon. Mouse! Hi! Hello! So good to see you. How are you doing? Mouse does amazing. Mouse does amazing Ocarina of Time randos. We should get a shout out for Mighty Mouse if we can. It's free on Epic. Oh, that's probably where I recognise the name then. Oh no, is it basically Blueprints the game? Yeah, so hang on. Yay, thank you, Omni. Yeah, she said that she wanted to use the opposite hand. The thing is, I don't know if what she's done is mirrored her leap. So like my leap is, so this is actually my right hand, and this is my left hand. So I don't know if she's mirrored them so that it actually is her correct hands or not. By default, it works like this and it mirrors them rather than actually. I'm gonna have a drop down. I think I'll default it to left because I think, assuming people are using most of the default options on like VC Face and stuff, I expect that will be what it is. Oh no. No, is there a... I mean, it's probably true, to be fair. I've heard similar Ghost. I have very similar things. 3-armed. Yeah. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. We had this conversation last week. So 40 red blocks, 10 green blocks, 60 blue blocks. That's a lot of blocks. Well, they have no hands. If they don't, I mean, if they have no beans, then that is a problem. Okay, so we've got a preferred hand. So that's going to be the one that we're going to want to spawn it into. So we'll have a so it's just like spawn edible. Okay. Do we have somewhere that logs the hands? I think. Do I have the hand? Oh no. I have hand mounts. Yes, I do have hand mounts. You're a bad person, Omni. You make all of this far more complicated than it needs to be. This is feature creep. Hand creep. Finger creep. I like finger creep. Yeah, I'm becoming acutely aware of the fact I'm just saying edible all the time. I really hope that, like, mentioning edibles isn't TOS. That would be mighty unfortunate. Bridget is outside in the hall. She's sleeping. She's having a sleepy day today. Yeah. Okay, so if we spawn out edible, so we do have, in fact, I think. Where are the mounts? Oh, they're on the effects manager, I think, aren't they? So if we have a look at effects manager, instance, and okay, so we've got our mount. So what we'll do, so if we go in here and we a switch. Yeah, let's do a switch, because if we have additional hands, a switch will be easier to rewrite probably. Although that would mean giving a dynamic. It's fine. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So let's switch on the preferred hand here. So we go finger trails. Doop, 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 doop. I need to find somewhere else to put trails. So if I'm not paying attention and the hands aren't switching, I could just type one-handed and sort of wave like the Queen for a little bit.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much for redeeming your finger trails.
So we go left. Then what we want to do. Bow! I deserve no bonk. Sploosh. I should probably take that out of the build. I don't think that's allowed. I might bundle it as a custom object. That's okay, right? Please don't sue me, Nintendo. I didn't mean to. I know, right? It's good. It's a supplement. Yes, I'm gonna drink my tea. I mean, you say on character programming. I've been going like what, half an hour. I've managed to write like a total of like 10 lines because I've been constantly distracted. But it's fine. It's fine. Let's reset position. There we go. Let's move it up. So sploosh. I might just have to record myself saying splish and then just like, well, it was me. It's all me. I was saying splish. You can't do anything about it. This is my original splish. Right. So new edible equals. So let's instantiate edible item. And then we want an edible items. Right, okay, so we need to use framework here so that we can use the extension methods for my arrays. So let's go, I want to pick random edible item. Tell them our streamer is great, can't you tell us statements? I'm sure you can, Zeus, you're a clever bean. Okay, so yeah, so we've got our random one there, and then we're mounting it to the transform. There we go. 10 lines in 30 minutes. That's oh, it's the memoirs of Dominic Cummings. 10 lines in 30 minutes. Okay, so then we break there. Okay, so this is probably, and then we'll go hand, right. And we'll go edible item. No. What we'll do, let's declare this up here, because then we can use it outside the scope of the switch case, which is sensible. New edible. New edible. Let's declare it as null as well, because we might not have a default case on this switch. So if we go in here. Effects manager instance, and we want our right. What? Not instantiate instance. Hand. There we are. Do we try and tempt you? Things you made for RuneScape. Come back to RuneScape. Come and share in these wonderful things. Right, so we're all new bow. So what we do here is no. Let's not overcomplicate this. This is fine. This is nice and readable. I know what's going on here. Edible items. Pick random. Right. So what I want to do here, Unity. No, is it random dot? Could we do a random dot bool or random? Is there not just like a random? I just want like a. I just want random value. What does that one do? Is that between not and not one inclusive? So, hey, have a good journey back, Zeus. Thank you very much for coming and hanging out. Yes, there we go. Good on Omni, shouting out Zuzu already. He's on it. So if random value is greater than or equal to 0.5, should be our 50 is want to be equal if it's inclusive, yeah, because 0 is included up to 4.9 or whatever in between that. Yeah, okay. Right, so if that is greater than or equal to, then we want to choose our left hand, and if it's not, we want to choose our right hand. There we go. Right, so there we go. So there's our different things. So we will either choose it if it's either hand, it will like go in that one, or we can choose a preferred hand. So I know this says both, and it should say either technically, but we don't need that. Okay, so we've got the spawn edible in there. So our edible items list. So basically, what we can do here, if we go back here, now we don't need. I've got so much stuff on my desk. You can go over there, and you can go over there. I've got a Christmas hat on my desk still. Right. So if we go to effects here, right. So we want to add our new item spawner, don't we? Item spawn handler. Edible items. We want to add. There's our prefabs. So let's add a mince pie to there, which means that what we can do is we can go in here. We can get rid of our. We can get rid of our test mince pie. So where is that mentioned? Okay. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Okay, so we get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. And what we want to do with you want to be. Okay, so hang on. Our spawn item handler wants to be one of them, so we can reference it from anywhere. And then we'll go item spawn handler, spawn edible. Yes, and then there's another reference to it here, isn't there? There's one that's red. Oh, there we go. Yeah, because it's the mod command. So we'll do the item spawn handler instance. Spawn edible. There we are. Okay. So we've now got like an actual thing. So should we have a look? Should we have a look at what other like edible items we can get here? I've got a little pack of free assets by Kenny Assets. If anyone is doing game bits and wants some very cool like prototypey asset stuff, I'm going to drop a link. Because this is fantastic. Kenny is what would be considered an exceptional bean, and runs, I believe, a non-profit development studio. Buy followers. Oh, buy followers. Why would I want to do that? I love how I immediately say non-profit. And someone's like, in immediate bot, like, buy stuff with non-profit. You're in the wrong place, bot. So, where is it? Like, can I? Oh, that's fine. Omniconsole. Yeah. So Kenny runs this like non-profit thing, where he basically makes loads of like assets, like audio assets, game assets, all kinds of bits and pieces, and just gives them away like completely for free, like no copyright needed or accrediting credit or anything. It's like complete copyright, like CC0, public domain stuff, which means that he absolutely needs to get a shout out for it. So here we go. So I've got the food kit here. So let's have a look. Should we bring this? Yeah, here we go. So like this is all the like the models that we got in here. So this is where the Boogier came from. That's right, first you tell that bot. Sodeth off. I just love. I've not had bots in here for ages. It obviously means that the stream's doing well. Like it means that we grow, which is really nice. Baguette, yes. So this is where the baguette is coming from. So I was thinking of you, Kato. I was like, we should definitely add an edible baguette for you. So yeah, we'll get. Should we do that now? We'll add the baguette in. We'll do that. So let's do that. So where are we? Where's the models? Models here. What is it? What is it under? There's so many models in this list. It's unreal. B. It's not under B for baguette. The mini milk. What? What did it? The mini milk. You mean the mortar and pestle? That's not exactly like a weapon of the gods, is it? The Mjolnir. Oh no, you were right. You were right, the little tender. I was looking at this. We could probably throw. There's a whole load. We'll get a selection of breads, shall we? Oh, you know what we could do? Okay, I'll tell you what. We'll add an edible one, and then we'll also add the bread as a thrown one, and we see if we can make a custom VFX and make it explode into bread slices when it hits you. Oh, Kato's in her element here. So yeah, that's where the watermelon comes from. That's thrown around. There's all kinds of stuff. Look at the little cupcakes, a whole ham, a fish, an egu, bacon, little mushrooms, a waffle. There's no Stroop waffles for Moon, unfortunately. I was hoping that there'd be one. There's all kinds of bits. Yes. Let's kill Steam. We don't need to be on Steam. Stupid Steam. Everything else has a privacy mode now that switches on when it notices you have OBS installed, except Steam. Okay, so what are we doing? There's a little gingerbread. Little gingerbread Beepo. Pancakes. Okay. Oh my god. I love the little Pride Pog emote. That's amazing. A cheese slice. Right. okay, so this is now a low poly food stream, everyone. And we're going to decide what our favourite food is. Okay, so we'll get a selection of breads. Shall we? So blah 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 blah. I gotta find them in the model list now. Your favourite food? Purple hand grenade. Neo's gonna model a stroopwafel. Yes! Yes! It's gonna be so good. The door is being booped open. I think there might be a Bridget at the door. Oh god. Feature creep. Here we go. So okay. So we've got to find it on this list of stuff. It's like, what is it? I wasn't touching that one. I did like this is on you, Omni. I mean, I saw it. I chose not to. I'm surprised that Darkadia hasn't hopped on that one. To be fair, I can only imagine that she's raiding. Donut, dim sum, cutting board, fish, eggplant, egg, hot dog, honey. What is this? Loaf. Oh, it's under loaf. Loaf, baguette. Okay, so let's import. Let's bring in the baguette. Where's the croissant? The croissant. Where are you, croissant? Oh, you're separate. Okay, so we've got a croissant here. So. Long loaf. Is it? Please tell me there is. No, there is no long loaf. There's round loaf and normal loaf. Okay, so here's the thing about Big Dumpy. Big Dumpy is absolutely possible. The only issue is that I need to make some alterations to my model, and that requires loading it up in Blender, and my modeling ability is about as good as something that's not very good. Basically, all I need is extra bones put in the dumpy and then weighted to the dumpy, and then we could have Big Dumpy. I did try like the sign of a bully. Did Chaos not? Did you trigger Chaos Time? Chaos Time did do nothing, and that is because it is set to something else here now. There we go. I will. I mean, you're forgetting, Neo, that you're a mod. You can just trigger all these things anyway. Is that gonna? Was it Chaos Time on? Effect Chaos 1, maybe? I can't remember what that... Why am I even trying to... I can literally look in the source code what the command is. Yeah. As a mod, you can do fun things like like this. You can do like... Apparently not. Why is that not working? Oh, that is mighty sus. Why am I It's a pingus. It's a pingus cake. Pingus cake? Yes, it's a pingus cake. Hey Poffle, how's it going? How are you? Yeah. You should be able to do effect and then like a command. So you could do like effect pats. That should work. Interesting. Interesting. But the redeems are working. I understand this not. Does this work? It's not. Huh. But the redeems are working. Hang on, are the redeems working or the redeems gone and broke? No, the redeems are working fine. That's very, very interesting. Okay, well that's one to look at after the stream. Why are the mod commands not working? If they were working for Poffle earlier and she's using the latest version. Interesting. We'll never know. Oh well, we will know eventually, but not on stream. Because that's debugging on stream is not fun. Yes, thank you. Thank you for derailing me again for the 15th time this stream already. Where are we? Oh yes, so for everyone that doesn't know, tomorrow Hitman VR comes out. So I'm gonna do a bonus stream tomorrow playing Hitman VR. We're gonna get the full body going on and try out the newer version of Beepo Box with full body, and we'll do a Hitman VR stream. So that should be fun. Yeah, see, the redeems are working, so that's fine. As long as the redeems are working, that's what's important. Okay, so we've got our edible item here. That's right. That's what we were going to do. We were going to make ourselves a baguette. A baguette. So let's go here. Boop, boop, boop. Where are you, baguette? And then if we go loaf of baguette. Look at that! There we go, there's our baguette. How big is this baguette? That's the question. Let's pull bloop bloop bloop. Where are we? Let's pull Livia in and actually see how big this baguette is. Meep. That's a heckin' baguette, that is. Let's make it slightly more sensible baguette. That's half size? I feel like it needs to be longer. Let's make it full length. That seems like a decent baguette to me. Yeah, I think that seems like a decent baguette. Yeah, it's a bit of a chonker, isn't it? It's a bit of a stumpy baguette. There we go. We've made it a bit longer. There we go. It is a heckin' baguette, absolutely. Okay, so what we'll do, if we now pop, so if we add the edible item script here, the model. We need like an eat. There's no eat audio. There's like chompy audio effect. I don't think Microsoft will be very happy with me using the Minecraft one. Oh my word! And there we are. Darkadia's back on form now. That's the Darkadia that I know. Okay, so let's make a folder for like edible. I mean that is true. If I use it, and then I might get mistaken for Minecraft. It's like you're the Minecraft. Like I am the Minecraft. Thank you for noticing. I'm not trying to program eating a massive baguette. Thank you very much. I am successfully programming eating a massive baguette. Thank you very much. This baguette will be successfully eaten. Well and truly consumed. So should I just reuse? I might just reuse the VFX for the mince pie for the time being, and then we'll make it more impressive later on. Yeah, that is the pie. I just want the VFX from the pie for now. Where'd my baguette go? Where'd my baguette go? There's my baguette. Boop. Paste the mince pie VFX. It's not the mince pie VFX anymore. It's the eat VFX. That's a word. That's the word we're going to use. Oh my. It's I have no idea what you're talking about, Arcadia. This is a very big bagoot. Let's try this, shall we? So let's see where we are. What did I say? Did I say the wrong words? Did I use the wrong mouth words? Okay, so we've got let's replace that with baguette. And then let's actually I'll tell you what. Let's make this a full-on. Let's make this an actual redeem, shall we? So what we'll do is, so food is there, so food's already there, so what we need to do to add it to the redeem command, so let's go, so we need to go to command data, and then we'll add this, and we will add food, right, let's have a look here. So food command equals feed me Seymour. Thank you for the clip, Omni. I'm sure that I will regret everything. So food command was sploosh. So return instance. So let's return the food command here. Set instance dot food command. I'm not value type. No, I definitely don't want that. That's the wrong thing. Okay, and we want to do so. Okay, so we want to go features, add. You can see all the inner workings of the Twitch stuff here as well. This is quite cool. So we're going to do get feature, and we'll call it feed me. No, food redeem. That's what we're going to call it. And then here we want to go food command. This should probably not be stored in player prefs at some point. I like player prefs because it was super easy, and this was the first thing that I implemented. But it needs to be moved out to a config file, really. I have shown you my baguette. Respond to me. Okay, and then update command triggers command type food. There are probably better ways of doing this that are more dynamic, but this is just easier probably for everyone in the long run if I just handle it all like this. Food command, there we go, is that about right? I don't think there's any, oh no. Food command dot length, there we go. I think there's no other chaos commands there, is there? Nope. And we've got food, we've got 1, 2, there. Yep, that looks alright to me. So what we'll do now, oh my, Oh my. That's this. That's a bonk for you, Arcadia. That's your bonk. Hey, rainbow trails. Wow. Baguette bonk. Oh mate, this is the feature creep is real. We've seen one baguette and suddenly everything is just that's it. Everything's gone out the window. But yes, we should do a baguette bonk. Baguette bonk would be quite easy, I think. A bag hat. Baguette. There's something there. So big. So head. Big head. It's just baguette mode. Just replace all of the bones with baguettes. Just baghead mode. Can't choose your baguette. Oh my god. Oh, this is madness. Madness. This. See what you've done, Kato. This is you. I blame you. 100% blame you for this now. Just replaces everything. Just replaces everything with a baguette. Okay, so I think we've got the baguette here. Preferred hand left. Yes. Have you got a baguette? Do you have a wieldable baguette? Oh, that's right. Hang on. I just realised the baguette has no collider on it, which means that there is no way you can eat it. It's the inedible baguette. Okay, so we need a rigid body as well. So let's put we'll put a capsule collider on this one, and the rigid. What are we going? Direction X, I believe, is about right. Yeah, there we go. Bloop. Radius. That'll do, I guess. Watch it. Oh yes, you've got the sweet roll. You have the sweet roll hat, haven't you? Yes, I do like the sweet roll. There we go. So that looks about right. That looks like a. That looks like it encapsulates the baguette correctly. This revenge for making us increase so hungry. I've had dinner. It's sensible. I don't want to come stream without having dinner. Oh, there you go. Oh, my leap motion picked up the tea drinking. Yeah, you want to encapsulate your baguette for safety. You don't want to be just getting crumbs everywhere willy-nilly. You don't want a very fleshy baguette. Oh my word! What is going on? You absolute degenerates. Okay, so what we need to do is oh dear, you have a special way with words, Arcadia, you really do. Dear me. What would my mother say if she was here? Unbelievable. No, that's no, I refuse to believe that's autocorrect. That's 100% you. That's just your words into chat, unfiltered. And if your autocorrect is saying that, then obviously it thinks that that's what you should say. Right. So where are we going? So we're Beepo boxing. So we need to make a build. Oh no, that's right. Hang on. We need to add the new feature, don't we? So here we go. So let's add a new one, and this is the food redeem. Triggers for what do we call it? We call it feed me. And then we want to go invoke methods, and we want to invoke. Yeah, we need to add. Oh no. Do we have a? Oh yeah, that's fine. So we'll go right. Spawn food item. Bloop. And then we'll go item spawn handler dot instance dot spawn edible. Yes, that's what it is. Spleesh. We could make it go spleesh when you eat it. Ow! Whole melon to the face. A melon in the face. A squeaky bean. Okay. So we are. Boop, 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 boop. I'm quite happy with this playlist. I was just like looking through a list of DMCA free things. So I was like, let's scroll. Let's like go to like some page miles away from the front of the search to see something that people might not have heard before. Effects manager, where are we? Spawn food item. There we go. Meep. You want the spleesh, do you? I'm still intrigued as to why my my chat commands don't seem to be working. Yeah, they're not, are they? It's very strange. Chaos. Oh god. Okay, chaos time. So in theory, that means that no. So for some reason, none of the chat commands are working today. Why? Why? Odd. Odd. Very odd. I mean, I could just do this. Does that satisfy you? Is that enough splishing? Meanies. Right. Well, we're going to be reloading Beepo Box in a second anyway, so hopefully that'll fix it. I'm intrigued as to why. Oh, it's you're on the TV and it's the squeaky things again. Okay, right, so we'll go here. Let's open this. Boop. Okay. Buildo. Okay. Where are we? Beep. I want to save that position. There we go. Me. Boop. Right. Okay. So we will. Right. I shall be back in a second. Let's fire up the new Beepo Box. Let's connect. There we are. Connecting. There we go. Beep. There we are. Boop. Right. So we are back. We're back here. Let's put ourselves a little bit more in the corner there. Okay, so in theory, okay, so let's just okay. So the Okay, so the pat redeems are working. Let's just see if the Okay, so the commands are working now. Something is very strange. I need to add like an attempt to reconnect button for that thing. You've barely written anything since stream started. Oh god, okay. There you go, there's the chaos effect. So when chaos is active, what you can do is technically you can just spam throw, big head, drop item. Nope, I'm safe. What else? Oh yeah, I think... No, not confetti. Ah! Basically, it just lets you spam everything that you would use with redeems with chat commands. So just go wild. Thank you very much for the pats. Hey, it's Small. Hey, Small. How's it going? You just come off some raiding. Oh, why is my... Oh, what's going on here? It's not... There we go. Let's hide that. Meat. Small. Well, you've been trialing with Drax. Ah, you're going fishing. Is it time for the ocean fish? Oh yeah. It's almost 10 o'clock, isn't it? 2 minutes. 2 minutes to get aboard the fishing boat, everyone. If you're Final Fantasy, get on the fishing boat. Go do the fishing. Get those fish. That's right. So hang on, what are we doing? So there should be. So if I do effect food. No. Nope. That didn't do anything. The command's not working again. No, they're still working. Oh. I spawn bread from my hands. I'm a bread wizard. The bread wizard. Ah, I am a bread wizard. Oh my. I would love to tell you what has happened. I haven't got a clue. I think what's going on is I'm pretty sure what's going on is the the baguette, it still has gravity on it. No, they're not deleting. They're off. They're off at a world of their own. They're going forever. So I'm going to need to restart this instance of Beepo Box because it's full of bread. Oh my god! What? I can't hold all of these baguettes. So much bread. Oh, dearie me. Oh, look, there you go. I wonder how much bread I can go before Beepo Box crashes. There's much bread, many breads. You want the bread? Spawn bread. Okay, well, we'll keep the spawn bread. Okay, are we changing this from a are we changing this from an edible foods feature into a trigger spawning items out of hands? So like for 10 seconds or something, just be like, because we can totally do that. Should we do that? Okay, we're doing that instead. We're okay. Right, let's restart this Beepo box before those breads do horrible things. Oh no, what's going on? Why did Beepo Box not connect? Oh no, I jumped out of the connection screen too fast. I need to make the connect bit a little bit more robust. It works for the most part, but if you close the tab too quickly it won't connect and then you can't reconnect. Okay, right, so let's go back down here. Okay. This is going to be an interesting feature to explain to people on the on the testers Discord. Like, so we had the dev stream on Wednesday, and I was gonna like add the edible item stuff, but it went wrong, and now you can shoot baguettes out of your hands. Oh dear. Okay, right, so what we'll do, let's do I could why do you do this? I could totally do that, but we shouldn't. We shouldn't do that. Okay, let's go spawn item stream, shall we? This is ridiculous. Okay, right, so what we're gonna do, so these don't want to be edibles, do they? So let's do, let's do thrown items. I can't believe this. This is ridiculous. I love it. I love it so much. This is literally what Beepo Box was made for. Yes, with great power does come great responsibility. The responsibility of the breadomancer, bakermancer. I don't know. Oh no, something's gone horribly wrong. Wait, what? Hang on, where's that one? That one goes there. That one goes there. Which one am I missing? What? Hang on. Am I being silly? Okay. So that should just drop in there, surely. Huh? No? Oh, lol. Okay, so what we're gonna do, so if we change these to thrown items, because thrown items, okay, so let's change, that can go out of the edible bit, can't it? Okay, so let's remove that and we'll do a thrown item. That goes there. The impact VFX, yeah, okay. We don't need any impact VFX right now, do we? Lifetime is 5 seconds, that should be fine. Okay. That, I think, is all we need. We don't need the eaten VFX on there anymore, because we're doing something very silly with it instead. So, what we want to do, yeah, so we'll use thrown items because they already have a like physics and stuff set up on them. So what we're going to do here is we need we're going to use a coroutine to spawn these. So it's like do spawn item stream. Oh mate, and then what we're going to do. Hello, Bridget. I should totally get a little like chibi gremlin version, like art of Bridget done, so that I can pop her up in the corner whenever she's in the room. Right, so we're gonna do. So this is gonna be similar to. Oh yeah, mods. You've got access to pull the lever now. Hey, hi Moon. Hey, hello. Thank you for stopping by, everyone. It's Moon. This is the wonderful Moon that I was telling you about earlier. Who did the Beepo Box logo? Why is my shout outs not working? Something. Oh, I don't know. But yeah, thank you very much for the follow, Moon. No, it should be pull the lever and then like 30. Yeah, it does work. It does work. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, so we're just working on some new stuff for Beepo Box. So, so I said I was going to work on. I love it. It's so good. It's so good. Neo here is the one that did the Beepo fan art. So what? I don't know why my shout out didn't work. I'm sorry, Moon. I'm having problems with my commands today. Yeah. The logo's been really good. I was using the animation for my for the pre-stream thing as well. It's really good. So there we go. Oh, okay. So Omni can do it. Apparently I can't. Nah, that's fine. I'm not a moderator on my own channel. So yeah, so we were going to do edible items, as I mentioned earlier, and the edible items went wrong, and now we're turning it into something hilarious and cursed. The edible items are kind of done, but this is going to be very silly and kind of amusing. Neo said that she's going to model some stroop waffles as well. Oh, also Neo, Moon is also Dutch, so we have two Dutch people in chat. Yes, we're gonna have lots of stuff. Oh yeah, so here's the array of food that we can have. So we have everyone's favourites like bread and croissant and half an onion and purple hand grenades. Of course she did. It's because you are Bean. Sushi, we have sushi, chocolate. So we have square waffles, but we have no stroop waffles, unfortunately. We have cheese, a whole cheese. Big cheese. So they're the models that I can use because my modelling skills are not good. So what are we doing? We're gonna yeah. You can import those. I'll post a link to the assets. In fact, hang on. I've got them here. So all of the assets from here are free. Like as in like copyright 0, public domain, completely free. So it's what I always use. It's what I think all of the items in Beepo Box at the moment are Kenny assets, like the box and everything. Does the box work? I haven't seen a box today. Do I not have a box? I've not added a box to my redeems. Huh. I don't have a I don't have a box redeem. Oh, yes, you could do that. So the custom item import at the moment is it needs a couple of tweaks to it because it doesn't adjust scale. So if you were to throw a building, it would probably just throw a full-on building at you. So how to drop stuff. The box of shame. Let's make that cheap as well. There we go. I did wonder why I'd not seen anyone drop a box on me so far. There we go. There should be a box redeem now. Yeah. So. Nope. Nope. Oh, there we go. I'm free. I was thinking of putting the Beepo Box logo on the side of it. I'm very tempted to. That would be quite easy. So what we're doing, so we're spawning these, so we want to spawn... what do we want to do? So we say like 30 items or something? Yeah, let's say 30. So let's do spawn count. So we'll do a spawn count of 30. And then, yeah, 4. There we go. Boop. Okay. And what we're gonna do? Yes. Okay. We'll add a Beepo. Remind me once I've done this. You guys are terrible for my ADHD. This doesn't help. It's like, oh, a new shiny thing, let's do that, and let's do that, and let's do this, and let's do this, and let's change this feature into that, and let's add stickers. So yield, return, I guess null will be fine. Do what ow. No, let's do wait for seconds, so we'll do like a, we should do like 0.2 seconds between each one. Yes, let's see that. And then what we want to do, yeah. So let's bring the hand in there. So like spawn hand. So we'll choose the hand up here, and then we'll pass the hand in. And then what we'll do is we'll do this. Yeah, we're spawning this amount of stuff. I definitely think we're going to need to look at item pooling at some point. We should, yeah, I'll go into that. Maybe that'll be next week's. Actually, write a proper item pool. Do a more technical stream. Okay. So we do spawn hand, and then that will come out, and that'll do. Yeah, okay. And then we probably want to private coroutine. Yeah. Stream. Routine. Yeah, okay, so this just wants to be spawn hand equals, oh yeah, equals preferred hand, and then if preferred hand is both. What are you doing, dog? Dog's being weird today. She's snuffling. She's being a snuffler. So if preferred hand is both, then yeah, we want to do this, don't we? We just want to swap the spawn hand. I know they're really good. They're really nice things. That's why I like the assets. They're like, they fit quite nicely with a lot of the VTuber aesthetic. With the standard VRM material, it fits quite well. There's loads of stuff there though. There's got it's really cool as well. I was saying earlier that Kenny, he runs like a little non-profit game development studio that basically just builds assets for developers to use. Why is this not working? Oh no, that's why, because the assignment is here. Meep. What am I doing? Oh, no, that's... Yes, it's because we're not actually passing the mount in here now, are we? We are passing in the hand, and we're choosing the mount later on. That's why I was confused. So preferred hand equals handle. Right. You should work? No? Why are you not working? Why are you not working? Why are you not working? No. I mean, that would... There we go. Okay. No, that's fine. That is fine. Okay. So we don't want to do this anymore, do we? No. And instead what we want to do is we want to go if the stream coroutine stream coroutine is not... It is null, so if we're not actually currently doing it, then we want to do a start coroutine. Do item spawn stream, and I want to pass in the spawn hand. Oh, okay, so it shouldn't be too bad. So you need to access the super secret hidden edit menu. So if you load up Beepo Box and you press page down, it will go to the editor screen, and then you have the little screen where you can just import the item that you want. You can import the VFX, the audio that you want it to do when it boops you, and then you save it, and it will save it out to a little .box file. Cool, nice. And then you can just go back to your main scene, I think with page up, and then import it. And then when you throw stuff, it should automatically, once it's imported, it should add it to the list of things that can be thrown at you. But like I say, there's some stuff that there's a couple of bits that still need some work. I want to add a scale so that you can scale the items that you import up and down. Maybe I should have done that today, because the custom item importer is a really cool thing that needs finishing, and I keep getting distracted by shiny things. Okay, so spawn hand is if it's left, because it can only be left or right when it comes in here, because we're switching it out here, aren't we? Then we want to do fx manager.instance left mount. Otherwise, it's the right mount. Okay. I think this should work. This is going to be very silly. So I'm running out of number keys as well. I'm gonna have to find something else. So I'm gonna have to add like a little menu that you can trigger them from. Okay, so we're gonna need to add a new command type, don't we? To be fair, this could actually be quite cool, because this lets us do stuff like we could do all kinds of cool things with this. I know that we're doing bread at the moment, which is silly, but we can do like fire or ice or little, like, I don't know, bubbles or something. We can do all kinds of cool stuff actually. Why are you being such a strange animal, dog? I don't know. So what should we call this? Item stream. Okay, so we need to add, so we're going to go public string item stream equals what? Oh man, what are we going to call this? What do we call this? I don't know. There we go. Unless anyone's got a better idea at the moment. Return instance viewed No, no, not food command. I'm stream. There we go. Set. Okay. So. Right. Oh, hang on. So, we should probably. Yeah. Okay. So let's. Dog, be gone. Stop pestering the tortoise. So the new item. So what we're gonna do? Let's add a random offset on the Y, I guess, so that they can spin. Because the hand will be. Yeah. Let's add a little bit of a. So transform dot rotation. Do I want to do this? The rotation. Can I set that? Dot. Spoiler angles, okay. Vector 3, so X, so put it on the Y, I guess, and then we'll do like a random range between 0 and 360, I guess?
I think.
Sounds about right. We'll do that. Let's do that. Let's do like.
Why do you not like me?
Oh, I always get this wrong. It's like. Okay. Nope. It doesn't like that. Why'd you not like that? Okay, apparently that's fine. Dog, I'm gonna have to let the dog out. She's being a weird champ. Come on, dog. There you go. Oh God. Go. Be gone. Be gone, dog. Oh my. My beans cable almost didn't reach. Oh my God, she's back. Would you? No. I'm sorry, Bridget, but not right now. Right. So. Okay, so we've got like a random spinny offset on that now. Oh, Night Infamous, thank you very much for coming and hanging out. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good sleep. Sure, I'll see you around tomorrow, no doubt. I think we're about there with this. So did we? So we've got this, and we need to add. We need to add a feature, don't we? We need to add an actual like. Get feature. Let's call it item stream redeem, because I have no idea what else to call this. So food command. So let's go with item stream. No, that would help. There we go. And we'll rename you as well. Boop. All done. Okay, so that equals player prefs, get string. Hey! Hello, Lioness Prime. Hello. It's been a long time. It's been a while. It's been a while. I missed the finger bits, and let's trigger some more finger bits for you. There you go. Have some finger bits. Oh my God, dog! Stop being such a weird champ. leave the tortoise alone. The tortoise will get upset with you, and then you will be sad. Ah! Hang on. With big ow! I was expecting another melon. I got a bonk. Oh, god damn it. Oh, so I think it will only save the item. Try saving it into the Beepo Box folder. I think Unity has some weird stuff where it can only access like the folder that it's run from. There's definitely ways around it because I've seen other things do it. But that's a Windows fun thing. But try saving it into the Beepo Box folder for now, and that might fix it. It's weird because when I run it from editor, I can just save it wherever I want. And running it in, I'd have thought, whee! Yeah, I might, for now, I might just make it so that the save, you choose a file name and it'll just save it into like custom items folder inside Beepo Box for now. Rather than having to get people to run it as admin and stuff, because mistype redeem what what? It really doesn't. Oh no, there's a misspelling. Night Neo. Thank you very much for joining this week. I'll send you some gifs of the bread magic when it comes together. Yeah, finger trowels. Good. Oh god damn it! It's go away, box. Be gone. Be gone. At the moment, once you've imported them once, so. Oh yeah. See you tomorrow for stream tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be fun. So once they're imported, they don't save. You have to re-import them every time you open Beepo Box at the moment. So if you don't want them anymore, if you just close and reopen Beepo Box, it should work. Like I say, those are the things that need adding. What I'm going to do is add a little like import items thing, and it'll be like, oh, these are the items that you've imported, and be like, oh, I want to remove this one and remove this one. Oh, that's a good point. Actually, no, you can't do that at the moment. I could definitely add that though. I can make it so that you can. I'll do that as part of the items thing, and make it so it'll show the default items as well, so you can remove those. And then I'll save that out to a config as well, so you don't have to do it every time you start, because that would be annoying. Yeah, we can sort that out. I'll add that out. I'll note that down on my list of Beepo bits to do. Where's my Beepo bits? Where are you, Beepo bits? Why have you not? Oh, you got the bread working already. I'm really glad that it works. It took a lot of effort to get it working, like initially, and it took it out of me. Oh god. It took it out of me a little bit trying to get the custom item stuff working. I was like, okay, it kind of works. I'm gonna leave it alone now because I don't want to look at it anymore right now. Oh no, Red Panda's redeemed Chaos Time, which means, yeah, that works. No. I think just drop. I thought drop was just a command that worked, but apparently not. Yeah, so yeah, if you just do !bonk now, you can just bonk me or a bike. Moon's stream's going to be incredibly violent. It's like, oh, I just had these squeaky beans and water balloons and the worst thing, a melon. And Moon's like, hey, people are going to throw bikes at me and buildings. Street waffles and bicycles. It's going to be good. Yeah, so so what I might do, throw all of Amsterdam and just have it explode in bicycle. You could. These are the fun little things that I want to try and do. So make it so what they don't have right now is you don't have custom VFX on them. So like the beans and stuff that we've got right now. My head is too big for the box. Be gone, box. Well, that didn't work. So. Where were we? Oh, that's right. We're actually like adding this feature, weren't we? This is all Kato wants to see. I'm stream. Okay, we need to add this here. This is what she's staying for. I could just bait extra luck time out of her by putting off doing this as long as possible. So item stream. There we go. I'm stream. Okay, I think that should work now. I technically need to add it to the command list, don't I? So drop should work. Oh no, hang on, no, there's not a normal drop command, is there? No, I didn't add one. There's the effect drop, which I believe will. Yeah, that works. But yeah, okay, there's no like drop chaos command. Interesting. Okay, I think. Right. Okay. Well, let's recycle key 8 for this now. What is it? It's the item spawn handler, isn't it? Instance. Oh man. Okay. This is gonna be the most ridiculous thing. While we're here, should we add other bread and we'll I don't know why I'm bothered asking this. Because absolutely the answer is yes. We'll add as much bread as possible. So we'll add what we've got? We've got the loaf, we've got the croissant, let's add the round loaf. And let's add the full-on loaf of bread. Is there any other bread bits that we want? No, I think that's about right, isn't it? There's no rolls, or we could add donuts, but it's fine. Right, so what we're going to do now is we'll just... where's my thrown item template? Everything! A whole sub. An entire subway. All of Subway. If we're going down Moon's route, what we'll actually do is we'll actually just add a Subway shop, and we'll throw the whole shop at you, and we'll fill the shop with sandwiches and bread and all the bits, and the sandwich will just arrange itself on the journey towards you. Let's not add any more feature creep right now. Where were we? So we've got. This isn't an edible anymore. This is a thrown item now. So we'll add the baguette. Okay, so this is no longer. So what we want to do is like bread loaf. that's an original prefab. So we'll open up our bread loaf, and instead of that, we want to have the where are we? Where's our bread loaf? It's a whole loaf of bread. And how big is it next to the baguette? Okay, well, let's make the loaf a little bit smaller. Let's do like 7, maybe. Because we made that smaller, didn't we? Yeah. Okay. Look, we'll do 7. That'll be about right. And then we'll add. This one wants to have a. Sphere on that as well, maybe? Yes? Yeah, sphere collider probably. 0.2, 0.1? Is that about? I mean, that's. If I was a bit of bread that was going to be a sphere, I'd look roughly like that. It'll be fine. Okay. And then we need, let's duplicate that, and we're going to make a croissant. Let's boop. Let's make an original prefab for that. We'll go in and we'll get our croissant. There we go. That. Oh no, that's about right size anyway. Maybe a little bit smaller. Would you like 0.8? That'll do. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's roughly croissant shaped. So where's that? Where did that go? So that goes. So yep. So we've got our croissant in there, and what was the other one? We've got our like bread loaf round loaf. Where's the round loaf? Where are you, round loaf? Boop. There's a heckin' loaf. What do we do? It's about 80%, wasn't it? I think with the other loaf. I'll do. Physics. Right. Oh no. Okay. Right. So now what we want to do is we go to our effects list here, and in the thrown items list, and we don't want any edible items. We don't have any of those now. We're gonna have like 4, and we'll go bread loaf. We'll go a baguette. We'll go croissant, and we'll go. The bread loaf round. Here we go. So yeah, this should spawn 30 of these things. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, right. So we are gonna we'll make a new build. This is certainly not what I expected us to get out of this evening stream. That's for sure. Right. Okay, we built. Right, okay, so we're gonna pop off for a second, and then we'll come back. Bloop. go. Okay, so in theory, yeah, I'll add a scale to the thing for you. I'll do that if this works. I'll look at adding a scale to the editor screen. Okay, let's see what happens. Ah, I am bread wizard, bread wizard. Whee! I am the bread wizard. So there we go, Moon. That's what this turned into. The edible stuff didn't quite work out exactly how I was expecting it to, and we now have bread wizard. I am bread wizard. Bread wizard. I realise that there's no like force on them or anything. Yeah, they've already spawned now. I have become bread. So this is the sort of thing. So like that, what I'll do is I'll make it so that the custom items that you import, I'll add like an editor for like thrown items and an editor for wizard items. I don't know what these even are, but it's a thing Beepo Box can do now. You could be a Strupermancer. That's a thing. Yeah. So the drops as well, the things on the head. I'm gonna make it so you can customize those as well, and they'll have different things. So you'll be able to make it so you can choose whether it sticks to you when it hits you like the pie, or whether it doesn't, and it just like does whatever it needs, like does what it normally does, like the box. I don't even know what this is going to be used for, but it's quite silly. Oh, dearie me. I don't know. This is very, very silly. I realise what I need to do is I need to do the new item dot. I need to do throw. And then add force to it. So what force do we want? So I realise we don't want to do it here. Yeah, okay. There's still some improvements to be made here, I think. So I want to find that. So let's do this. So that's the hand transform. And what we actually want to do, we don't want to attach it to that. We want to... Yes, okay, so what we actually want to do is it wants to be the position. Yeah, okay, so it wants to be the position of the hand. We don't actually want to attach it to the hand because that does the weird stuff that we're seeing. So when I move my hand and stuff, like, I think you should be able to see it if I move my hand, because it's attaching it to the hand with physics. You can see, like, it's doing, like, weird stuff, and I can actually, like, move them as they're falling through the air, and physics is like, oh my god, what's going on? This is really strange. I'm glad that this is... I'm glad this is working out for you. So I think if I look at the hand mounts, I can't look at the hand mounts at the moment because I'm running Beepo Box. So that I think the hand mounts are. I can, it's fine. I can just set this to 40 and it'll work. So I need it to like go out of the palm, I guess. So, oh no, what's this? What? Oh, it's because I never added the feature. Okay, right, so we'll do that now. We'll fix that. So this is the item stream redeem, isn't it? And the trigger is custom reward. Is like it's just cursed for now. No, we don't want to log. We want to do invoke methods, call methods, and we want to go down to the effects and what is it? It's our effects manager, and what is it? It's oh no, we didn't set up an effect, do we? It's still just debug right now. So let's add a proper effect for it. So spawn food. It's like public void. Blah blah blah. I'm stream. I'm spawn handler instance. Stream spawn. I'm stream. There we go. Boop. And then. Wah. Effects manager. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm stream. There we are. Okay, so that should do that. So that shouldn't get an error when we load up now. Okay, we didn't. No, this is a scene loader. Oh no. We don't want those. It's the secret model for tomorrow. Nobody saw anything. Hang on, what? Oh, that's right. I was checking the hand mounts, wasn't I? So if we look in here, we've got our hand mounts set up somewhere. Hand mount. I'm not even going to suggest that. So we've got our hand mount here. So where's the? So what I want to look at is like where's the hand mount positioned? So the hand mount is local. So the hand mount points outwards on the y-axis. So okay, so we want to push it out of the hand. So what we're going to do is we'll come here. So we're going to throw it. Oh, actually, this is fine. Do that. Ah! That's not what I wanted to do. That should be fine. No, it's a quaternion dot. Yeah, Euler, I think. Is that it? Is that it? Is that not the one that's? Yeah, okay, it's fine. So that would be our random offset bits, and this. So we want to throw this, and we want to throw it out of the palm of the hand. We said it was Y, wasn't it? It was up, which makes sense if you're looking. Yeah. So we want to go with. We want to do. Where is it? So we want to do the hand transform. Dot up. Well, like a. Hey, thank you very much for coming, Kado. It's much appreciated. Yeah, we'll. I mean, this is going to be in the next version now, so I'll be posting a beta build after stream at some point once I've just cleaned a few things up and added like the commands to the options. But this is very silly. But yeah, it's fun. But yeah, thank you very much for joining. But yes, you get some sleep. It's getting on. Should we have? Let's just hard code the force for now, I guess. It doesn't need to be that high, does it? So yeah, let's do a random range between. Oh no, let's just do like 1 and 2. Let's get some slightly different, some slight variation in that. And I think let's drop this down to 0.1. Okay. And then we'll do... I think that's the only thing. Yeah, because we didn't want to attach it to the hand. We need to move it from the hand. We want to like add some force, like some lobby force to it, which is what we've done. And we fixed the error that was there. I think that's it. Okay. So if we now, let's just save the project, and if we do another build, boop, boop. Comms work. Bread wizard. I'm gonna put this like. Hey, Small wasn't following. Wow. Thank you for following though. I appreciate it. Where are we going? We consider letting the spawn count be put. Yeah. I think that's probably true. So what I'll do is I'll set that up here. Hey, Small. How's it going? Oh, chaos time. It's time for chaos. Come in. Hit the chaos button. Run away. Bonk. Oh man. Finger trails on finger trail. Ooh, finger trails on the head pads would be quite cool actually. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so stream item count. We'll just set that to 30 for now. There we go. Yeah, no, that won't work. You need to pull the lever if you're going to do that. Pull the lever, Kronk. She is not leaving this tortoise alone. This tortoise is going to get very upset with us soon. Right. So much bonk. Oh, here we go. This genuinely, this is true chaos. Yeah, I can put the finger trails on the head pads. I could definitely do that. That might be quite a cool thing for people that don't have hand tracking. I think most people seem to have hand tracking. I've noticed. I thought it's more common than I thought. I'm glad that I got the leap motion. It would have made things a lot more difficult. This is so many bonks. Ow! Ow! I haven't done anything wrong. Ah! Yeah, the leap motion is so good. Does yours get really, really hot? Mine gets so hot. Yeah, it's like I got it strapped to my chest, and like it's after stream, and it's like, oh god, it's like. Yeah, so we've got that in there, yes. Okay, so let's just make one more build. It can't be good at getting so hot. Like, it seems weird that it gets as hot as it does. Oh, mate, yeah, I can imagine that a laptop. I haven't played via. Yep. The fan's going and it just like takes off. Yeah, I haven't played VR chat in ages. In fact, I've not properly played VR chat since I exported my model. Oh no. Oh, that's annoying. Meh, where have we gone? Yeah, I love VR chat. is it's a very, very special experience. Like for people that haven't experienced VR chat before, it's amazing. What's it doing? That's right. Oh, that's right. I need to reset this down to 39, don't I? Because that's the default port number. Meep. So the models, the way the model saving works at the moment is, so when you, and I'll show you. I'll just use like a, if I got an old model that I can use it with. Hang on. So you should be able to see. So I've got my preset. So I press like the 1, and I'll load in here. And then hang on, I'll find an old model that I can swap to, so you can see it actually changing. Let's get my V1 model. And then if I go here, if I click 2 and load in my V1, there we go, and it will load that in. And then you can just click between 1 and 2 and it will swap them out. And then if you want to, so I've got a, I don't have another model. But if you want to reload it, if you hold Control and then click on 2, it will let you reload the model, so you can choose to overwrite it if you want. But you need to do the model loading. You need to do the model loading every time you load up Beepo Box. It doesn't save them. I could maybe look at having a model saving thing. So the reason I chose to do it like at so you do it every time is in case, because there's only 3 slots. It means that if you've got like different streams set up, you can have like tomorrow I'm going to be doing a Hitman stream, and I've got a special model set up for it, so I can actually like ahead of time, like before stream, I'm going to set up and load in the models, rather than having it like, so it's like, oh, these are always my presets. It seemed like, because you only got to like load them in, it's pretty quick, but I can definitely look at having like auto loading of models if that's something that would be useful, because you can overwrite them anyway, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. The only thing I'd say is that if you're not going to be using them, you're better off not loading them in, because in order to get like the smooth hot swapping, like both models are always loaded. But it does mean that you get the nice like swapping without any like load times between them. But if you load in more than 3 models, the Beepo Box's resources start getting quite high. If you've got a beefy PC, it doesn't matter, but oh yeah, Duckhead, you were saying about VR chat, like when your friends going to rooms with randoms. It's yeah, I changed the shader on my hair. She's got shiny hair in this one. Yeah, I know, I'm strange. I'm an extrovert, so I like just jumping into random VR chat rooms and being like, "Hi, I'm a person. Talk to me." There's chat bollocks on the internet. That's right. We're rebuilding this, weren't we? Just fix the port. Yeah, I want to get on VR chat with some more people. VR chat is, I think it's kind of similar with VTubing as well, though. Like you've got that element of anonymity, or like that layer between you and everyone that lets you sort of you can use it a little bit. Right, where were we? So okay, let's drop this. Open up that. There we go. Boop. Connect. Okay, so we should have our new like bread thing now. So let's have a look. Come to me, bread. In the name of I don't know what would a bread wizard be in the name of? I don't know. The name of the great Paul Hollywood, I summon thee. Roar! Bread summoning. Whoa! Those are some heckin' breads. Hang on. So much bread. So much bread. May I offer you some bread in this trying time? Bread, anyone? Well, there we go. There's Beepo Box's premium feature right there. I've done it with teleport bread for 3 days. Talking strange of anonymity. Yeah, I get that. I tend, like, if I'm wandering random worlds in VR chat, I tend to just find a club. And just be like, and then sometimes you find cool people in there. Holy yeast. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Toast, I summon thee! Bread, come to me! Oh, have you seen the size of that croissant? Look at it! Oh, man. There's a heckin' croissant, that is. The breadening. Oh yeah, that's right. Hang on. Oh, this is very silly. Beepo bread indeed. Oh, that's what we're going to do, won't we? Just quickly. Let's put a boop. No, I don't want that. I just want to. I don't need a canvas. I just want a sprite. It's the best way to add a sprite to something. I'm sure that there is. Hang on. There we go. I'm sure that is. Yeah, I don't need a. Beepo. Oh, hang on. Let's. We need to add. In that case, we need to add the Beepo. Beepo Box. Where are we? Nope. Split 50 page essay on ways to put eggs that split into fried eggs. Yes, yes, I absolutely do need to put eggs that explode into fried eggs on the thrown item list. That is true. You can save yourself the 50-page essay. Thank you very much for coming in, Linus. It's much appreciated. Okay, where are we? Let's have a look. Let's pull in simply egg. Let's have a look. It's this one. Okay, let's do this. Sprite in 2D. Boop. Max size probably wants to be 256. I think it needs to be bigger than that. Okay, and then we can go. Yeah, there we are. Wow. Yes, Beepo. Beepo the bee. Let's shrink this down a little bit. There we go. 20. That's good. Where should we put it? Like. Do you reckon it needs to be on every side? Just those two. If we put it on. Let's put it on. Should just be that, I think. Yeah, we're good. And it wants to be. There we go. There we go. So we have the little Beepo Box icon on the box now. We could have multiple boxes. We could swap those out. We could have like. Yeah, that would be cool actually. So there is something very cool that I wanted to try and do. I'll let you in on the little secret that I was mentioning last week. I think it does work. I can't do it unfortunately because the emotes that I submitted haven't been approved yet, unfortunately. But I think what I can do is I can grab emotes from a channel and read them into Unity like at runtime. So what we could do is we could put emotes, channel emotes, as stickers on the side of the box. That's what I want to do. And now we've got those stickers on there. They can just be Beepo the Bee unless there are emotes, and then there's a chance for it to be like one of the emotes from the channel. I was hoping that I would have one approved by now, but because I am scrub, I don't have. They have to approve them. But yeah, we'll do that. We'll definitely. Oh, that would be so good. That would be so good. I don't know how it handles animated stuff. Maybe it just dumps frames. If it dumps frames, then that's really easy. We can put those on. Oh, wiggle on the box. I love the little wiggle. A Beepo wiggle. I need to get a Beepo. I'm gonna have to get a set of Beepo emotes. Yes. I need a Beepo wiggle. I need a Beepo wiggle. I'm gonna have to get a set of emotes done at some point. That's definitely gonna have to happen. If you either be vibrating baguette and Beepo the bee. If you had the bee, you need to add the fly swat. Attack of the bee. Yeah, I still think that we could have like. If I could get like someone to model Beepo, and we could just have like a thing where Beepo could just like buzz around for a little bit. Oh, that would be so good. Let's have a little. Okay, this is going on the list. Yeah, so So we can have it. Yeah, if I can get, I'll try and see if I can find someone to model Beepo, and what we could do is we could have like a redeem for like, you know, Beepo. Oh, hang on. The dog is literally in the tortoise's house. Get out, dog. Stop drinking the tortoise's water. The tortoise will not appreciate it. There's so many. I mean, like, Beepo is inevitably just going to become like the channel mascot now. Like that's definitely going to happen. But yeah, like you say, Moon, the little bee puns. We could have like a Beepo flying in, and Beepo could have a banner coming off the back, being like, "Be yourself." Yeah, be happy. Have a buzzing day. I love this. It's gonna be so good. If Beepo Box makes at least someone smile somewhere, then it's done its job. Okay, so we actually do have this like crazy bread spawning thing now. Like, this is a thing. We should have the, I think. Okay, it's time. What about Beepo? Beepo time! Beepo time! Yeah, I don't think Beepo should be too difficult. Like, I could give Beepo a go, but it would be that would be amazing. It's the animation and the rigging of it that would be, because Beepo would need to be rigged really, like, needs to be rigged nicely to get the proper chonkiness across. He's a VTuber. Hey. Oh, this writes itself. This is so good. Okay, where were we? Okay, so let's actually like fix the. I'm sorry, I do deserve that. That was definitely deserved. Okay, so we should actually make some edible objects here. So if we duplicate the mince pie, and we'll do like have like edible baguette, which is what this madness all started off trying to do in the first place. And let's just do like it's it's not the material. It's like, here we go. Fun fact: I made the mince pie model myself. That's why it's so bad. Oh. Interesting. Brown. Is that? I'm just going to pull this model in because I don't know how this is meant to work. I don't know what it's like. Oh, yes, we're going to get a little Beepo plush. Oh, it'd be so good. So good. Also, hello. Hi, mother. How is your current place of residence? Right, hang on. So, what do we? So, what is the loaf? It's like, it's like 0.1, 0.5, 0.5. Yeah. Let's actually fix this loaf because I think the edible stuff's going to be quite cool. 1.5, 0.5. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. That's more sensible. So we've got like eating effects on there now. That looks good. You do rigging as well. Mouth. So mouth movements. I would probably just go with You just go with a texture, just like a openy closey texture, I would imagine. Oh, you're at home. That's good. So let's do VFX. Okay, so the model object is this one. Blah 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 blah. Okay, I think that should actually be be a proper edible item. We can add the mince pie and the baguette. We should probably not have the mince pie because the mince pie is not great. I'm not good at like the mince pie is. The mince pie is programmer art through and through. We could have. What else should we have? We'll just throw a couple of things in here, I guess. We'll have like apple. We can have an apple. A banunu. We've got any? I think we have donut. Oh, we want a cake. We definitely want a cake. Cupcake. We've got cupcake. Cupcake. There we go. We'll have cupcake. Short week. Off on Sunday. Not back home until. Oh wow. Oh, you're staying away. That's a what? When's half term for you then? Oh, you're not back at work until half term, or you're not back home until half term. Oh. Tell them that what happens when coding goes wrong is you end up you end up covered in bread. So much bread everywhere. It's what happens if you're not careful. So where are we? What were we doing? Let's make some more edible items then. So we do edible and apple. We got the. Let's just drag it in. Apple. Apple. There you go. There's an apple. And then what we'll do is let's change. We don't want that. Let's have. We got a red. Is there an apple? No, it'll be red, won't it? Yes, it'll be that one. There we go. There we go. So the collider on these need to be really big, because if you've got your leap motion, like I've set mine up so that actually it reckons it's a little bit higher than it is, but if you've got it set up to be like accurate, then you're going like this, it's like, oh no, I can't eat my mince pie. It's you don't want to have a mince pie stuck in your hand forever. That would be bad. What was the other edible stuff? Let's have an edible. Oh, what was it? We had cupcakes, didn't we? Let's put a cupcake. Edible cupcake. I'm sure that we made it. We had a cupcake. Yeah, we had a cupcake come in. There we go. Oh, look, a little cupcake. What colour should we have the cupcake? Oh, its cupcake is like brown again, isn't it? Really, lots of brown. Lots of brown. Is there an actual? What is the cupcake brown? Apple, croissant, cupcake. There we go. It's cupcake brown. The official Pantone colour, cupcake brown. What else did we have? We added a banana. So yeah, having custom edible items should actually be quite easy, Moon. There's no editor for it yet, but I think it should be relatively straightforward. Like, edible items are quite simple, because they don't do like any weird stuff. There's a Banunu, and then we want this to be. Yeah, just need to make sure that we match the colours of the little eating effects up. There we go. There's a banana. Oh my god, get out! Oh. There we go. Yellow Banunu. Dog is being still trying to get at the tortoise. She won't leave. Where? Okay, so what do we have? So we've got. What were our other edible items? We've got the apple. We've got the banana. And we've got the cupcake. Okay. So I think that should be all the edible items. And they should all be set up correctly, so they shouldn't like fall apart in theory. Hang on. I'm gonna try and let the dog out again because she's being odd. Ah, there we are. Oh, sorry about that. She's derpy dog. Okay, so if we make another build there, let's try and run this first and make sure that we haven't got any like odd errors going on. I don't think we should have. Should be no, that's fine. Okay, I need to add the options, like the actual This is a version increase, definitely. So like V29A at this point, definitely. So we have bread summoning, and oh yeah, we have bread summoning and edible items. 2 updates in one, or two new features in one update. It's exciting. Okay. Right, okay, so we will Beepo off. Beepo. I'm impressed it managed to build it while I was actually running. Let's try that again, just to make sure. Beepo time is definitely something that needs to happen. Okay, so what have we got here? Yep. Boop. Right, so let's just... You know what we didn't do? I didn't actually add it onto a key, did I? Although, did I add it to the... It is on the mod effects though, so I should be able to go... Where bread? No bread. Ah. Oh, actually, no. I can add it as a redeem, can't I? Because it is. If I add a new redeem, manage rewards, I should be able to add new reward and go like, feed me delicious treats. definitely need some sort of like eating sound. Okay, so in theory, we should. There should be. It's a cupcake. It doesn't, but it doesn't go away. Ah, ah, come, ah, come back, come back, hand. No, why have you forsaken me, hand? Come back. I remember this happening with the mince pie. Yeah, no, that's not. Okay. Well, this is embarrassing. I don't have a cupcake I can't do anything with. What we'll do, just in case, let's have a. Let's set the lifetime of these to 30 seconds, so that they'll so that they'll pop off. What do you do? So I'm going to do unenable. There we go. Okay. So why is this not? Why? That should definitely. Oh, destroy game object after lifetime. There we go. So the question: what am I supposed to do with this cupcake? Cupcake, leave. Cupcake. Cupcake. Nope. That didn't work. Why can I? Why can I not eat the cupcake? I definitely had this problem last time. And the issue was that the things around the stuff weren't big enough. I tell you what we'll actually do. Let's switch over to testing Beepo Box. So let's actually go in here. There we are. And we are now Beepo Box in the test environment. So what happens if I give myself a feed me? There we go. So he's tiny, tiny baguette. The baguette, eh? I could eat the baguette. So okay. What's wrong with my cupcake? Why can I not eat cupcake? Yum. I use a tiny apple. Oh. Haha. I know what it is. These ones don't have their model assigned. When they're so tiny. Oh, there we go. There's a big old cupcake. is a monster cupcake. I have a feeling that this cupcake is going to be monstrous. Yeah, what needs to be done? These all need to be. Yeah, this is the fun of having multiple scales. Okay. Watch this. These are going to be heckin' chonkers. I'll tell you what we can do. While we're hey, there we go. We can just swap over to using VC Face for now. So at least people can still see something. There we are. Boop. Oh no, it's very big. I'm very big. Why are you so big? There we are. Oh, fruit. Now what we want is so let's go to Effects Manager and let's reset this to edible, and we'll set key 0. I'm going to need to work out a better way of triggering these because we've run out of keys. But there we go. We have the item stream on 0 now, and I think that gives us access to all of the ones we want to test right now. So 8 is our food, which is what it was last time. So let's jump in here. Our presets. Boop. Okay. So got that. Oh, yay! It's the Beepo box. It is the Beepo box. It works. Shit. Okay, so everything just eats immediately because it's so big. Nope. I have the biggest apple in the world. Yeah. Giant cupcake. Okay. I think they need to be a bit smaller. Let's pull this in, and let's pull in. Where are you, Livia? Here you are. Okay. Yeah, that's a heckin' chonker of an apple. So the apple's not like unreasonably big. It needs to be a little bit smaller. So say like 0.6 is probably about right. So let's apply that, and then this is far too big. It wants to be about that. It needs to be decent size, enough size that it can hit the head from a comfortable distance. I think that's probably about right. Yeah, I think that's okay. Boop. Boop. Okay. Let's tweak our other edible items as well, shall we? If anyone knows of a freely usable like eating effect that we can use, that would be much appreciated. Jeez, look at the size of that. And that's actually not too far off the sort of size that we probably want, but shrink it down a little bit. Yeah, we'll do that. That's okay. Meep. Yeah, that's probably about right. So apply that, and apply that, and then apply this. There we go. And then Mega Banana. I think the banana needs to be rotated. Yes, let's say yes. I think it does. Okay, let's just set these to like here for now. I think they're probably about right. That banana is such a... It's a heckin' banana, isn't it? Apple is set to 0.6. Seems to be about right. Bloop. Is that all set up? Yep, that's fine. Apply that, and just apply the rotation on that one as well. And then we just want our the cupcake of doom. Cupcake the size of your head. That's a pretty good cupcake, to be fair. I would be happy with a cupcake the size of my head. That's still a pretty hefty cupcake. 4. That'll be fine. That's about right. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. And then that wants to be applied. Okay, let's just double check and make sure that all of these look right. Yep, center on those. Oh no, okay, we didn't apply the center on the banana. I didn't think so. The mince pie seems to work okay, so we'll just leave the mince pie as it is. I'm going to leave the mince pie alone. No, I'll probably okay, so actually what we want to do... so once we point 2, and then if we actually just make this 1, and that is the right size, there we go, and 2, 1, boop, boop. There we go. Okay, so everything is now like correctly unit scaled. This is the fun when you end up with messing around with different scales. So let's have a look. We should try these chompy items out. Let's have a look. Okay, we can probably be a little bit more lenient on the... Oh, there you go, look. Probably be a bit more lenient on the on these. So what if we make them as too small? Let's make them 1.5 instead. Keep the offset where it is, because I think the offset being in the middle is like, that should be about right. It need to be like approximate, it's fine. I don't want them going off by accident is the problem. You don't want an accidental mince pie. That's a pretty hefty banana, but there we go. There we go. So currently the VFX are attached to the hand. Do you think that makes sense? Or should it stay in the air where it was eaten? Because that's easy enough to do. but it's whether that's actually what we want to do or not. I'm going to keep it attached to the hand for now. There we go. So what's the last couple of bits that we need to do? The last couple of bits we need to do is just to add the add our new commands to the list. Where is there we go. So yeah, the last couple things we need to do is got our commands panel here. Hey Raz! Hey! How's it going? How is everything? How you doing? How you doing? Is this okay, this needs to be a content size fitter, and the vertical wants to be preferred. Yep, there we go. Oh, good. Oh, I'm glad. Yeah, it's always good when you get things done that you need to get done. I'm glad. Okay, so this wants to be feed me. Feed me. The command string doesn't matter, so the command type here is food. I think that's all that needs to be set up. I don't think there's anything else. And then I need another one here to be what is it? This one is chill it, Lupus Fallout. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the like, friends. It's much appreciated. And enjoy whatever it is you play. What Fallout? 3, 4, 1, 2. Whatever it is, enjoy. Okay, so what do we call this? What do we call this insane thing that we have concocted today? Oh, nice. Yeah, it's good when all the mods work out. Enjoy, have fun. Modded Fallout is the way to play Fallout. I don't know what to call this insane thing that we've got. Bredageddon? I don't know. I have no idea what we call this nuts thing. Summon bread. That'll do. Oh no. Why is... Oh, of course, summon bread is too long for bread, question mark. That'd be, I don't even know what else to call it at this point. But we have it, it's there, it's a thing, it exists. Conjure bread. Does that fit? No, it doesn't. Beepo Box. What are you doing? Tracking keeps spinning me around. Bread. That's supposed to say bread, question mark. Oh dear. Okay. And then yeah, we'll just call this bread, question mark. This wants to be chaos time, doesn't it? Okay. This is very silly. I don't think I need to do anything else with this. Do I need to add... Do these register themselves? I think they do. Oh no, okay, here we go. I knew that there was something else I needed to do. Command type food. Oh no. Oh, Raz, you're almost as bad as Darkadia. That was breadable. Breadable indeed. Command data dot what is it? It's the food command. Darkadia would be proud. On command updated. Command data food? Food command, there we go. And then case command type item stream. Oh dear. Text equals command data dot what's it? Item stream command. On command updated. Command data dot item stream command. Okay. Breadable. Dearie me. That's not TOS. We've been to edibles, breadables. It's been a night of ubbles. Lots of ubbles. So food command data dot food command. Yep, there we go. And then no, not breakfast. Command type item stream break. Command data item stream command. Yeah, there we go. I think that's it. What? Oh no. Sorry. Yeah. We're they're not working because I'm using VC Face because I turned off. Yeah, hang on. I'm not using Beepo Box because Beepo Box was running in Unity. I can't have them both running at the same time. I'm firing up Beepo Box again. Here we go. Bloop. Where's the Beepo? No. Stop it. Beepo Box. There we are. We're back. We're back with the Beepos of the box. Told you. Splish. Because what we can do is I command forth bread. Armor Braden. Why did it... I'll be honest, chat, I'm disappointed that none of you came up with that one. Oh no, bees and breads and... I need a whole rebrand. Rebread. Does Armor Braden fit in there? I bet it doesn't. How does Armor Braden not fit in there? Ow. Ah! I ran my foot over with my chair. Ow. I mean, Armor Braden fits if I don't put the code on. Armor Braden if I... There you go. It's fine. Armor Breaden fits if I don't put an A in it. It's fine. That'll work. Oh, hang on. Although I... Oh, hang on. 1D. 1D. There we go. Armor Breaden. I mean, I feel a little bit bad about calling it that, and you should totally feel bad for letting me. Okay. Let's have a look. So like audio cues for these things are really useful because when I'm streaming it means I can see them. Or I can hear that they've triggered. Oh no, what was this? I could say... No, don't do it. Okay, let's close this. Let's make another build. You're a Breaden. Oh no. Darkady, did you see the new box? I was super happy with how that turned out. Okay, let's have a look. Meep. Boop. There we go. Yeah, did you see my new box? Ready? It's the Beepo Box. It's the actual Beepo Box. Oh dear. Box? You okay there? Okay, so we should have... edible items work. And we should have feed me. So this is Armor Breaden. Feed me, pats, finger trails. Okay, so if I now go here, if I add rewards, add new custom rewards, boop, Armor Breaden. There we go. Oh, skip the reward queue. I need to make sure that that's in there. I need to make sure that the skip the reward queue is on the drop stuff as well, because it's not at the moment. There we go. Right. Okay. Are you able to customize which hand the food spawns? Yes. Yeah. There's an option for that now. So I fixed some of the stuff with that. That's what we did today. So there should be a new redeem now, which is Armor Breaden. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Arcanum. Thank you very much for the sub. It's much appreciated. Thank you. In celebration, you can have some Armor Breaden. Ready? Armor Breaden, I summon forth. Much bread! So much bread! Because why not? Why not summon forth the bread? Be gone, bread. Go, get breaded. And I do love the Beepo Box, the actual Beepo Box. Look at it. It's so Beepo-y and so boxy. Go. Get out of here. Oh, thank you very much. Yes, well, enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. I think we're actually going to wrap up there. I think. To be who are they? Oh, so it was Moon Meadow did the Beepo Box logo. Yeah, she did an absolutely wonderful job in a insanely quick time. We're doing raids. Maybe we'll do raids. I think it's probably time to wrap up there. I think at this point, if we start anything new, the tangents we go off on are going to be ridiculous. But I think so. There's a couple of things that I need to add in to the settings. I need to make it so that you can change the hand, like Raz says. There needs to be an option for that. You can actually choose that now. There is an option for it in here. It's here somewhere. Where is it? Where are you? It's down here. Yeah, so we've got preferred hand, so we can choose the hand that it spawns in, which is good. So I just need to expose that to the settings, and I think we're probably ready for a build. And this is a good version. We've got armor bread, which is just the fun things that happen, I guess, when you let chat take over. And we fixed the edible items now, so edible items are actually like a thing now. We've got several more of those. I guess technically we could add bread to the thrown items list, which we probably should do, but that will come with a bit of a tidy up on the thrown item stuff. I think probably what I need to do is, instead of baking items in, like having built-in items, I think probably the thing to do is to have all of the items saved out in the .box format, in the custom box format. So we'll probably do that. So that'll make things a lot easier for Moon when she's trying to import custom items and bits and pieces. But yeah, I think it's probably a good place to call that. We've had a really good stream tonight. I've had a great time. I've really enjoyed it tonight. It's been great fun armor breadening with everybody. Let's swap over to our, there we go, our little Beepo Box scene. So yay! Oh, hey Puffle, thank you for being here. It's great. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but like, yeah, this wouldn't have happened without you, and like, I would not have found this community or even considered this whole VTubing malarkey if it wasn't for you. So yes, you've done good things, and hopefully this is enough of enough of giving back to the great things that you've allowed to happen. Did you have you seen our new armor bread and effect that we've got? Because that's, yeah, it's very silly. But yeah, I'll be posting a new build soon. I'll yeah. So the new things we've got. So we fixed food now. So food is oh, come on, leap motion. Oh no. There we go. So food will disappear after 30 seconds now if it's not eaten. Oh, there goes the mince pie. And then we also have bring forth the armor bread. I have absolutely no idea why, but that's the thing that we can do now. Because why not? Yeah, that's what happens when the edible items go wrong, and it's like, this isn't a bug, this is a feature. So yeah. But yeah, thank you very much for all of the follows, all of the subs, all of the great things. Oh, and the Beepo Box. The Beepo Box, I think, is probably my favourite thing. It's the actual Beepo Box. Go. So yeah, well, thank you very much for hanging out tonight, everyone. It's much appreciated. We'll be back again next week for another dev stream. I don't know what we'll do next week. I think actually next week what we'll probably do, depending on how much I get done between now and then, is we'll dive into the custom item editor and we'll start adding like custom things for the dropping items, throwing items, yeah, those things, and we'll get that done. Yeah, that'll be really cool. Have we got anyone to raid? I don't know. Who have we got? I don't know. Have we got? Oh, we have. Oh yes. Oh, Mona. Oh yeah. Well, okay. We'll go get Mona. Oh yes, and also, bonus stream tomorrow. Hitman VR's out. We're going to be doing. Nailed it. I'm going to be doing a Hitman VR stream tomorrow because why not? It's going to be great. So yeah. So yes, we will. Hang on. What is Mona's? Mona. Is it the or just? No, there's no the. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's go see Mona. What's Mona playing? Oh, she's doing Mario World 2. Nice. Do love some Mario. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna raid Mona. Yeah. Give her much love. She is a wonderful VTuber. And who doesn't like some Mario? So. Yes. So. Thank you again, everyone, and I shall see you all next week. Bye.